Hi, in front of me is RUGGEAR RG655 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply LED keyboard on this device. You need to start by opening Play Store and typing LED keyboard. Then download this app from this developer. Now open it and click Get Started. Then tap OK and click on the switcher next to LED keyboard. Click OK again and tap on Input Options. Over here you need to select LED keyboard one more time and click on one of the options. When you're done, pick keyboard that you like the best. I will go with that one, so I need to click on it and close the nut. Now scroll down a bit and click Get Theme. And so when I go back, I can see that my keyboard has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!